Hey y'all, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. Let's get into this cute bald wig sent from WowAfrican hair. Y'all, this is going to be the shortest video I ever filmed because it took me no time to apply this wig. Yes, it is glueless. It already comes with everything you need. You don't have to do anything as far as plucking, bleaching knots. Look at it. So I do believe this is a 5x5. All the details will be listed in my description box down below. Now listen up, if you have a peanut head like me, this wig is going to be everything you need. It fits like a charm, and the fact that it has that little grippy part on the elastic band as well as the perimeter of the wig and the inside, it grips to my head so good where this wig is not going anywhere. Now, as you can see, this wig already comes pre-styled. The part already came as a middle part. You can part it off to the side, but not too much because, again, the lace is a 5x5. Now, right here, I'm taking my dark concealer. I think this is Chestnut in the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's kind of like a contour color, so I take that and I find that this color blends my lace in so good with my skin. So like I was saying, the lace already comes pre-styled. As you can see, I did not flat iron or curl this wig. It already came bumped like this. The only thing I did was take my what is this called, y'all? Take my hot comb, and yes, I'm not using my wand curler only because it broke on me. So now I gotta use the I can't even remember what it's called. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But look how bouncy this is. And the color, if you're looking for a color but not a color that's like pow out there but still, ooh, that's cute, try this color because it's subtle but at the same time it's still giving color. But the thickness, everything, like look at this, y'all. And I did nothing. Ooh, on point. Yeah, so if you are interested, check below in my description box. If I have coupon codes, everything will be listed below. I told y'all this was going to be a quick video because literally I did nothing but put it on my head. So like I said, if you're looking for a put on your head and go type of wig, then check it out.